This room is bigger, right?
Wait, how did you guys find this place?
Bruno found some hidden tracks.
Behind a waterfall. And we followed the tracks here. How did you get here?
We followed this creepy tunnel that was carved by something.
Wait, I just realized. If you came from the mines and we came from Lookout Mountain, the two are connected.
Yeah, maybe Whiff was right. The mine monster must have come from the tunnels under Lookout Mountain.
I sure wish I had my biggest adventure machine right now. Maybe we could turn it into a biggest mine monster scaring machine.
Hey, do you hear that?
I hear it too. Listen.
You're right. That's the biggest adventure machine's alarm. It's coming from this way.
No, it's over here.
It's over here, obviously.
You're chasing echoes. There was a rumble before the biggest adventure machine disappeared. So the biggest adventure machine came down like the other cars did. Since it doesn't have brakes, it couldn't stop in time.
That way! No, this way!
No, that way!
No, this way!
That way!
I'm telling you, it's this
No,
way! That way!
That
It's
way!
this
That
way! No,
This
that
It must be here somewhere, but they won't find it chasing an echo.
Wait, Bruno.
What?
What? What did you say about the echo?
You're chasing echoes.
Chasing echoes. Bust my bumpers, he's right.
Ah, bolts. We don't know what's the biggest adventure machine and what's the echo. Oops.
Great! Now the mine monster can really get us, because I bet they see in the dark. Bruno, do you know where the backup lights are?
The backup lights?
What? He knows where everything is on the island.
I don't know this area. It's uncharted. Though I do look forward to coming back here later and mapping it. It'll be a treat to add a new section to my map.
Wait, the lights!
Yes, they're out. We all know that.
No! On the biggest adventure machine, the lights go off with the alarm.
We can't chase its echo, but we can chase its lights.
Good point. Okay, everyone, turn off your headlamps.
Are we sure turning off our lights is a good idea? I mean, I'm not scared. I'm just thinking about the rest of you.
You too, Diesel.
Aww.
It's coming from that tunnel. Come on.
Let's roll!
Lights are getting brighter.
But the rumbling is also getting louder.
Huh?
Biggest adventure machine! You're staying with me.
Well, we found the carts.
Wow, there are a lot of them here.
But where's here?
Carly, am I wrong, or does this smell like a fresh tunnel?
You're right. This tunnel has definitely been dug recently. So, new tunnels are being made by
A mine monster? Obviously.
So we can find our way